Internet is flooded with these kind of videos, but is this even possible to go from this to this? The answer is yes. In this video, I will give you 12 secret tips of Chinese girls which they use in their incredible weight loss transformation with no diet, no excessive exercise. So, are you ready? These tips focus on balanced eating, mindful practices, and natural methods to help you manage weight in a sustainable way. So first of all, you have to measure your waist and weight properly so that you can actually compare the results after 30 days. This guide is all about small steps which give big results. Tip number first, drink green tea and herbal teas regularly. Chinese girls drink green tea, oolong tea, and other herbal teas, which are packed with antioxidants and can boost metabolism. Many Chinese girls drink these teas after meals to aid digestion and burn fat. Tip number second, prioritize fresh, light, and balanced meals. Chinese meals are typically light on oil and heavy on fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and fiber-rich foods like leafy greens. This approach keeps calories in check and provides essential nutrients. Tip number third, practice small portions and multiple dishes. Instead of one large dish, meals in China often feature several small portions. So instead of eating a lot at once, it's better to start having small meals. This allows variety and portion control, helping you eat a wider range of nutrients without overeating. Tip number 4, soup before meals. Many people in China start meals with a clear soup, like vegetable broth or miso. This helps fill you up a bit, so you eat less during the main meal and stay hydrated. Tip number 5, eat slowly and mindfully. Mindful eating is a big part of Chinese dining culture. Eating slowly, savoring each bite, and stopping before you're too full helps with portion control and better digestion. Switch your snack craving with heather option like chocolate with berries, racine, potato chips with banana chips, or take advantage of internet for better alternatives. 6, incorporate fermented foods. Fermented foods like kimchi or pickled vegetables are great for gut health, which plays a role in weight management. They're low in calories and add flavor to meals. These are the some drinks which Chinese girls use in their incredible weight loss transformation. First is green tea with lemon. Brew the tea and add lemon juice and drink this empty stomach daily. This drink, packed with antioxidants, supports weight management and skin health. Second is coffee and lemon for weight loss. First, brew a cup of black coffee. No sugar or milk. Then, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the coffee. Lastly, stir well and drink it warm on an empty stomach. Coffee contains caffeine, which boosts metabolism and helps burn calories, acts as an appetite suppressant. And lemon is high in vitamin C, supporting digestion and fat breakdown. Tip number 7 is limit sugary and processed foods. Instead of sugary snacks and desserts, many Chinese girls reach for fresh fruit. They also avoid overly processed foods, which helps keep calorie intake low and nutrition quality high. Many Chinese girls avoid sugar for health and beauty reasons. They believe sugar accelerates aging by breaking down collagen, leading to wrinkles. Avoiding sugar helps maintain a slim figure, as it prevents weight gain and bloating. Culturally, natural, less sweet foods are preferred, and they focus on balanced diets rich in nutrients to promote clear skin, vitality, and long-term health. Tip number 8 is get plenty of sleep and manage stress. Good sleep is valued in Chinese culture, and it plays a big role in weight loss by supporting metabolism and helping regulate hunger hormones. Practices like Tai Chi or meditation are also common for stress management. Tip number 9 is exercise. Chinese girls are obsessed with workout. They often focus on low-impact exercises like walking, jogging, yoga, Tai Chi, and dance workouts for weight loss. These activities improve metabolism, flexibility, and strength while promoting relaxation and stress relief. Combining these exercises with a balanced diet for effective and sustainable weight loss. You can follow this 2-workout combo. Tip number 10 is stay consistent with hydration. Drinking warm water throughout the day is a common practice in China. Staying hydrated helps control appetite and keeps your metabolism active. And last tip is trust the process. Weight loss means having faith in the journey, even when progress feels slow or uncertain. Trust encourages patience and consistency. It's about trusting that the efforts you're putting in will pay off over time. And that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Thanks you so much for watching.